Hello guys, and today I will be, unfortunately no I won't be, I'll be going to Yeah, it's true. Barkingside v Brimsdown in the Eastern Counties, 1st Division South. But first, before we go on, you're probably wondering, wow, what is that? Well, let me tell you. I can't remember, it might have been Felixstowe when me and Noah went there. Or was it Chelmsford City? That one, weren't it? Yeah, Chelmsford City. Big Bear came. I was with Noah. Yeah, that was Noah's face as well. I was like, oh no, what will we do? The bear just scratched me across the face. You can see where its nail went in a bit there, where the blood is. Still bleeding now. 4 days ago. Still bleeding. So I grabbed Noah's hands, spun around whilst holding Noah, threw Noah at the bear's face. Noah grabs the bear's face. Bear falls over. Noah's on the bear's face saying, Nate, 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 Nate. Bear's crying. I say, come on, Noah, now, because the bear's crying. It's not on. So Noah got off. Noah said, bye-bye. Bear ran off. That's what we done, basically, weren't it, mate?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a crazy day, weren't it? Okay, that was weird. But we didn't put that in the video because we thought it was too soon. I was a little bit shook up about it and stuff. That was weird. Right, back to the game today. Being played at Crickfield Stadium. They ground share with Ilford FC. In the last 4 meetings between Barkingside and Brimsdown, Barkingside have won all 4 games. The last game being played in December. And obviously Barkingside won 2-1 because they've won all 4 the last games. Fun fact about Barkingside, they were founded in 1898, folded in the 1922-23 season, but came back in 1925. So they just wanted 2 years away. Not really sure why though. Right, back to the table. No, it's not really back to the table because we didn't go to it in the first place.
Yeah.
Barkingside sits 14th on 16 points and Brimsdown sits 18th on 11 points in a relegation zone. Relegation.
Yeah.
A win is a must, obviously, for both sides, but even a draw, I believe, I can't see the table now, but I believe that would take Brimsdown out of the relegation.
Oh, you mommy.
Yeah. I'm not a betting man, but if I was, I think this game will finish. Let me think quick. 3-1 to the home team, Barkingside. Yeah, we'll see, won't we? This one's not a fair race, which is Big Thompson way, but the guy who's on seniors got a head start. Junior one didn't even finish, so that'll be a 2-0 to the juniors. And the crowd goes crazy. That was a bit of a foul, wasn't it? Strange one, I don't know why he's flagging when the ball's going up the other end.
Six of them.
So, Rory the lap throw, mate. It's pass to me. Get out of my way, mate. Number 3, please. Thank you. I bet he stayed in the way.
Waste, man. Edge again, Aaron. No, you want to edge now and talk to him.
Go on, Mus, you got this, lad. You got this, boy. One of us, sir! Push out every lad, my boy. Well done. Well done, go on, now, man. Go on, you're in. Oh!
Wait! That's it!
Just a little recap on that one. Better game than I thought it would be. Wasn't one-sided. Well, it was in the second half. To Brimsdown, they've just outplayed Barkingside in the second half. And when their goalkeeper got sent off, I don't know how they didn't take away all 3 points. Really good game, better than I thought it would have been. As you can see on this table right now, big point, even though it's not 2 extra points for Brimsdown, but a big point out for relegation. If Newbury Forest win, obviously they'll go back into relegation, but it's good to see, it's tight. But yeah, thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.